Hello guys, in this lecture I am going to solve 1991 Indian National Mathematics Olympiad geometry problem. Here is a view of this problem. In this problem we are given a acute angle triangle ABC and point XYZ be located as follows. X is the point where the altitude from A on BC meets the outward facing semicircle drawn on BC as diameter. Point Y and Z are located similarly, and we have to prove that square of the area of triangle BCX plus square of the area of triangle CAY plus square of the area of triangle ABZ equals to square of the area of triangle ABC. Okay. First we draw the figure. We are given ABC is a acute angle triangle. This is a triangle ABC. Now we draw semicircle with BC as diameter in outward sense and draw perpendicular from A to the side BC and extend this altitude so that it intersects the semicircle at point X. Suppose the point of intersection of this altitude with side BC is P. Okay, since BC is the BC is the diameter, therefore angle BXC is what? Definitely 90 degree. This is the right angle. Okay, so first we talk about the area of triangle BCX whole square. This is what? Half into BC into PX whole square. This becomes what? 1 by 4 into BC square into PX square. But triangle BXC is a right angle, hence by projection theorem on right angle triangles, we can write Px square equals to BP into PC. You can prove this projection theorem by using trigonometry. Suppose this angle BXP is theta, therefore angle PXC becomes what? 90 minus theta. Okay, then BP is what? BP equals to PX tan theta by using triangle BPX. Now we are going to use triangle PXC. Then PC is what? PC equals to PX cot theta, because tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Therefore what we get from here? BP into PC is what? PX square. This is the projection theorem on right angle triangle. Okay, now back in action. Area of triangle BCX whole square is what? 1 by 4 into BC square into PX square. PX square is what? BP times PC. Okay, this is equals to 1 by 4 BC square into BP. BP we can write using triangle ABP. Using triangle ABP, this angle is B. Therefore BP is what? BP is AP cot B. Now to find PC, we are going to use triangle APC. This angle is C. Okay, then PC is what? PC equals to AP cot C. Therefore this can be written as 1 by 2 BC into AP into 1 by 2 BC into AP whole square into cot B cot C. But this amount is what? Half into BC into AP means what? Area of triangle ABC. Therefore we can write from here a square of the area of triangle BCX is what? A square of the area of triangle ABC multiplied by cot B cot C. Similarly we can write square of the area of triangle CAY is what? Square of the area of triangle ABC multiplied by cot C cot A, and square of area of triangle ABZ is what? Square of area of triangle ABC into cot A cot B. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Therefore 1 plus 2 plus 3 implies area of triangle BCX whole square plus square of area of triangle CAY plus square of area of triangle ABZ equals to what? Square of area of triangle ABC is taken out common, and in bracket what we have? Cot A cot B plus cot B cot C plus cot C cot A. But we know that sigma cot A cot B, in any triangle sigma cot A cot B, this well known identity, and its value is 1. Therefore what we have? Square of the area of triangle BCX plus square of area of triangle CAY plus square of area of triangle ABZ equals to what? Square of area of triangle ABC. Hence we are done. And if you are interested to know the proof of this particular part, we can write this identity as sigma tan A equals to pi tan A. If we convert all cotangent into tangent, we can write this identity as this, which can be proved easily, because in any triangle A plus B plus C is what? Pi, implies A plus B is what? Pi minus C. Take tan on both sides. Tan of A plus B equals to tan of pi minus C, that becomes minus tan C. Tan of A plus B is what? Tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B equals to minus tan C. This will implies tan A plus tan B plus tan C equals to what? Tan A into tan B into tan C. This completes the proof of the identity. Hence we are done. Thanks for watching.